How to get soft, silky smooth, frizz-free and shining hair. At home using DIY hair mask and hair oil. Frizzy hair can be challenging to manage. Use this DIY hair mask and hair oil to get rid of frizzy hair from looking like this, and this, to this. Like this, and this. Try this DIY hair mask tips to get frizzy-free hair. ADD to tablespoon yogurt. Aloe vera gel. 2 vitamin E capsule. Mix it. Use this twice a week for best results. Wash off after an hour to get frizzy-free hair like this, and this. Here is the DIY hair oil with multiple benefits. Can be used daily, boost hair growth, control hair fall, repair damaged hair, powerful hair 2 oil to tablespoon stimulate cloves. hair growth. Cinnamon sticks. Chopped ginger. Coconut oil. Use twice or thrice a week and massage for at least 5 minutes for better results. With these tips, you should be able to manage and reduce frizzy hair effectively.